This is Tiger Gaurav Trivedi, and I am a transformation and growth multiplier. I started my career at the age of 16, around 16 years back, and in this 1.5 decade, I worked with more than 7,000 students, 200 plus companies, 250 plus entrepreneurs, and 2,000 plus employees. And during this entire journey, if I look back, I can see hundreds of people who were successful and thousands of people who were unsuccessful. I was so astonished that God has given the equal power, equal brain, equal capabilities, and equal opportunities to everyone. Then why couple of them became very successful and few of them could not even take off? After a lot of brainstorming, I came to know that 95% of people just go to graveyard without using their 95% of the caliber or their power. And this made me to think and believe strongly that an individual himself is the biggest enemy, an individual himself is the biggest friend of himself. So my dear friends, the question arises, why individuals do not grow? I give you an example. The coal and the diamond, both are the products of the same mine. Then what made diamond so precious? So the coal, who took that extra pain and who took that extra heat, was converted into the diamond. And we at Smart in the same mission to convert yourself into the diamond. My dear friends, when I look back about my journey and think, I realized many of us are not working on our cash. That is knowledge, that is attitude, that is skill, that is habit, that is strategy. So if you really want to become a diamond in your life, if you really want to transform your life, then what are you waiting for? I am coming to you at your doorstep on 2nd November to transform your life through a life transforming opportunity called a T.I.G.E.R. So have you booked your seat? I am waiting. Thank you so much.